The Gordie Howe Bridge Project update for December 2023 is coming soon. The December update will include the latest progress on the Canadian side of the bridge. But until it's ready, let's look at a few clips of what's coming. As you can see, the Gordie Howe Bridge is really taking shape. The full update is coming soon, so be sure to subscribe, like, and share. I look forward to and learn from your comments and feedback. Thank you for being here. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.